Hello guys, how you doing? Today I have like a 2019 BMW X3, and we're gonna do like a oil change together. So we're gonna have to remove the oil cap and then look at the filter cap, which is right here. That's a filter cap. So we need a 27 socket. So we're gonna use a 27 socket to remove the oil cap loose. So now the oil cap is loose. We're gonna bring the car up in the air so that we drain the oil. Car is up in the air right now, so we're gonna come down here. So we're gonna remove this cap right here real quick, and we need a 17 socket. That's a drain plug. That's a 17 socket. Okay, we're gonna remove the oil plug. Oil plug is loose. Your hand. Now it's going the oil. So right now we're gonna wait until the oil is draining out completely. After that, we're gonna put like the oil plug back and put the new cap in. Okay, this is a B46 engine. If you're gonna replace like the filter, the BMW filter, this is the part number for the filter. And right now, remember to change like the O-ring, because the drain plug right here got the O-rings in it, the washer. So I will recommend like to change the washer in it, put like a new washer in and put your plug back. Okay guys, now when you tie it up like the drain plug, just go just a little bit. Don't tie it too much because you don't want to pull the thread in it, because like once you pull the thread in it, you will have to do like a oil pan repair. Sometimes like even like replace the oil pan, which is like a big job and big money. Just be careful when you tighten up the oil plug. Make sure the drain plug, make sure you just do a little bit tight, but otherwise like you have to look for the specific like a torque for the oil drain plug. So guys, I'm underneath of the hood right now, so we're gonna remove like your filter from this right here. You gotta make sure you change the gasket and the filter. I'm gonna change the filter as well. And this is a B46 engine, 4-cylinder engine. You have to put about like I know between 5.5 and 5.7 oil in it, and it take like about, of course, 0.20. So you got 0.20 oil, so you gotta put 5.5 to 5.7 in it. And we're gonna change the gasket real quick. Okay guys, so make sure you tied it at 25 millimeters. 25 millimeters on top of this one, so you don't over tight it, because there is a plastic cap. And you put your oil in. After that, gotta put like a cover back. And now we're gonna go inside the car to reset like the oil change. After you finish the oil change, of course you have to go inside the car to reset the oil change. So okay guys, now we're gonna like reset the oil change. Okay, come here, reset the oil change. You put your key on, don't start the car, ignition on only. You hit the button, start button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and ignition is on. So now some of the car you have to reset it to the toggle switch right here, but this one you have the button in the cluster. Once you got the button in the cluster, you have to go to the cluster, because it's 2019. You have to you have to hit it like a couple times. All the grabs like a trip or the model at 0, so you hold it down. We'll give it some time. It's gonna give you a notice. Now say all service, you let it go. Now you push it down again. You let it go when it said reset, and you push it down again. Now reset in progress. You let it go. Remove your hand, and you should like clear this thing like right now. Okay, now everything is good, all change is gone, and you're ready to go. So I think that's all for today. I will see you around for another video. Bye bye.